In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on safe search settings on Google Chrome. Sometimes we always give our family members or our friends or our child our phone, and they get access to bad sites using our phone. But if you turn on safe search settings on Google Chrome, they will not be able to access these sites. So I'm going to show you how to turn on safe search settings on Google Chrome. Just ensure that you watch this video to the very end to avoid any mistake. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Once you subscribe, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go and open your Play Store. Then go on the search. Then search for Google Chrome. Then tap on it. Then you need to confirm that your Google Chrome is up to date. So if your Google Chrome is not up to date, then you need to update it. Once you've updated your Google Chrome, then you need to close Play Store. Then go and open your Chrome browser. Then once you are here, you are going to see those three dots on your top right corner. Just tap on them. Then tap on Settings. Then it will land you here. So you need to scroll down. Then you are going to see Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Then once you are here, you need to scroll down again. Then under Security, you are going to see Safe Browsing. As you can see, mine is turned off. So you need to tap on it. Then you are going to see these options here. It is automatically set to no protection and not recommended. So you can choose standard protection, but preferably I would like you to choose enhanced protection. So you just need to choose the first option, which is best recommended. Then once you've chosen that, you need to go back. Then you need to scroll down. Then you are going to see Use Secure DNS. Just tap on it. Then choose the second option, choose another provider. Then under Custom, you are going to see that arrow pointing down. Just tap on it. Then you are going to choose Clean Browsing, in bracket Family Filter. So just tap on it. If you go back and come back here, you are going to see now Safe Browsing Enhanced Protection is on. So that's how you can simply turn on Safe Search setting on Chrome. Now, if you found value from this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.